Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap the IoT to Solana. It's pretty easy to get this done. Open up your browser, and once you're logged on to coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down till you find the market section where the IoT is being traded on. And as you can see, Jupiter is one of the decentralized exchanges that is hosting these transactions. And on Jupiter, we have the IoT against the Solana. So that's the token pair we're going to be trading. Simply copy your contract address here. Once you've copied the contract address, minimize and open up your wallet. And the wallet we're going to be using is the Trust Wallet. With Trust Wallet opened up, please make sure you have some Solana from this transaction, as the Solana is going to be used for paying of transaction fees and gas fees as well. Alright guys, and once you've been able to have the Solana on your wallet, head over to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply paste the link in the description of the video, and we're going to be heading over to the Jupiter swap. Once here, you're going to be paying some IoT for Solana, so make sure you have the IoT on your wallet and you have a good amount of it. Click on the Connect Wallet option, click on Trust Wallet, click on Connect, and our wallet has been connected. And we can simply swap our IoT, let's say a good amount of the IoT, into the Solana by simply clicking on the swap option. You'd be getting some Solana for the IoT token. And once that's done, head to the home icon at the bottom left and simply reload, and you'd find the Solana on your wallet. That's Solana in place of the IoT token on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.